Mid-sized companies can really get tremendous value from the cloud. Often, customers don't know that they want something until they see it. It may be something as simple as a business process in the cloud that was only 5 or 6 manual steps. Now, because it's automated through a business process in the cloud, customers will flock to it because it's that much easier and it satisfies just an annoying pain. It could become an enormous business opportunity.
So it's interesting, mid-sized companies today are really looking at how they can manage data that's in social networking, through mobile devices, and things of this nature. And they want to have better insight to their customers, how to better improve their interaction with the customer. And so cloud technologies are enabling them today to have access to that enterprise class capability.
So when we have discussions with mid-sized businesses about their move to the cloud, typically there are a lot of tactical discussions around their services, desktop management, security management, network management. Those are all great things to take a look at and determine if there are cloud capabilities that are out there that your firm can leverage.
When you look at cloud computing, a lot of companies will make the mistake of just saying, oh, let's go grab this. Here's an application. Here's something. It's a cloud service. It only costs $14 a month, and they'll go and start using it without planning. So I think the biggest problem is that it's so easy to sign up for a service. A lot of services then end up, you bought a year contract because somebody said, well, if you buy 400 seats, it's half the price. So now you end up with more capability, more capacity than you need because you haven't planned.
So we would suggest that a mid-sized business start with their trusted advisor and have the conversation with what their needs are. And there are a couple different ways that they can go with that conversation. What are the new applications that they're looking to roll out? What are the new businesses that they'd like to enter? How can they leverage the cloud to get into those businesses more quickly without a large upfront IT investment? They can also talk about pain points they're having with their current environment as well. Do they not have the operations staff and the capabilities, and is that something that they could leverage the cloud for?
There's minimal upfront cost to deploying a cloud solution because there's not a lot of IT expenditure, there's not a lot of capital expenditure to get the infrastructure set up. One of the things that we have found is traditionally solutions like CRM have really been isolated to very large enterprises. Because of cloud computing and cloud-based deployments, solutions like CRM can now be made available not only to mid-market customers, but also to small businesses as well.
It's important to take an iterative approach, just like you have in your business. Look at the gaps that you have today and where you're trying to fill those gaps or bridge those gaps, and look at cloud technologies and how they can help you move to that cloud technology space. But I think it's also important that you look at the business processes that you have in place today and the data that you're working with, that you've built over time, and recognize that those things are pieces that you put together in 3, 5, 10, 20 years. And now that you're building new systems and putting things in the cloud, not that it's going to take 20 years to go do that, but you need to understand that there's a process and a time that you're going to take in managing that information and moving to that cloud-based application.
One piece of advice I would give to businesses looking to move to the cloud is don't try to do a big bang approach. Don't try to bite off everything all at once. Identify a group, a division, a business process, a new product that you're trying to go to market with, and automate that and put that on the cloud first. Then add more parts of the company or more business processes, and also look to add then more different types of integrations, be it social business, collaboration, or back-end ERP integration. But don't try to do everything all at once. Bite it off in manageable steps, and you'll get success that way.
There's an opportunity right now. By using something like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and a packaged collaboration environment, for example, they can get to market really fast, bring this new product to market, seize the opportunity when it's hot, rather than going out, buying all the capability, hardware, software, and services, and losing the opportunity because that might take 6 months.